Hey guys, Ashley Ann is back, and we have to touch up those roots again. They are big. She waits quite a time in between. So we are going to show you how to do this extended root. And first we're going to start her out in the Malibu C. So just stay tuned to watch that right up next.
Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education, tips, and tricks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, so Ashley Ann lives kind of far away and a little bit far out. So I know that she has well water. So we have to start off with a Malibu C crystal gel. And I actually think we used CPR on her this time because I did want to remove some pigment. And Malibu CPR will remove pigment, even direct dyes. So whenever you're doing a corrective color, you always want to start out with Malibu C CPR and Color Disruptor. So now I am going to be lightening her hair, and I'm using Oligo Pro. Their cream lightener is very gentle, and Olaplex, of course. So I am going to keep this off her root because if I do it too close, you're going to get some banding. And I've tried doing it a whole bunch of ways in my life, and I've tried it many ways over the years. So when you apply it directly to the root, when you have this much of an outgrowth, you're going to get a hot root because the body heat is going to process that faster than the rest of the hair. There's no body heat. There's also keratinization involved with all of that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of sciencey stuff going into this, guys. So my free high impact 15 foil is up, guys. And if you guys want to register for that, you just go and click the link in the description and I will send it to you in your email. It is an awesome tutorial on how to get the most impact out of the least amount of foiling. And there's a full 30-minute tutorial. So guys, so please, the link is in the bio. So again, just keeping it 1/4 of an inch from the scalp. I'm just going to apply this. Sometimes I'll use cotton. Sometimes I won't. Sometimes I apply it to both sides. Sometimes I don't. It just depends on the section that I took and how big of the section it is in my hand. So sometimes if the section gets a little bit too thick in my hands, I might apply to both sides of the hair. Then if the section's really thin, then I might only apply to one side of the hair. It just depends what's in my hand and the density of hair in that section at the time. So now I am not going to pull this through because Ashley Ann's hair is very tender. And so we are just going to work with the tones that she has there. Now here I am going and applying it to the base. Now bleach does expand, so there's a lot of places that it did blow up and get on the root of her hair. So I am just going to go and touch the spots that possibly didn't expand to and just making sure that it is everywhere throughout the whole head. Now, Ashley Ann is a client of mine. And guys, mostly you will see all of my clients. So you will see repeats of the same people because these are my clients. And Ashley has been coming to me for quite a few years now. So she loves the way I do her Vivid. So now she's processed. We've rinsed and we've stopped oxidation with Malibu C Deox. And I've shampooed her. And now I'm using Megix 10 in the sapphire color for her base. So just a quick commercial, guys. I am coming out with my own online education platform, and you guys wonder, like, what's the difference between this and that? This is going to be intensive, and it is called Hair Toots. And Hair Toots is going to be intensive videos, long processes. It won't be cut to bits. It is formed in the proper format, and you will get the entire process, head sheets, all the 9 yards. And my first one is the Neapolitan series. You will get a redhead, a blonde, and a brunette. And I'm so excited for the launch, guys. So go ahead, and the link is in the bio. Sign up for that free 15 foil high dimension, and you will start to get my funnel of emails to sign up for that amazing class that's coming. Okay, so back to the hair. So we're going to go in with our Megix 10 in the sapphire blue, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all to her base. As you can see, I put a little tinfoil up there just to kind of protect the hair so I'm not flopping colors over and cross-contaminating. And I always have a wet towel next to me, so I'm constantly wiping my hands. So this way, it'll just kind of like be a lot easier to get through the hair. So now I am using like the lime color. It's a custom mix, and I'm going to start down low, and then I'm going to work my way up because I do not want to cross-contaminate these colors. So I'm just working that lighter color up into the blue, and then I'll work the blue down into the yellow. So I'm just very, very careful about my placement, and I make sure that the hair is combed before I go ahead and put the comb through the hair, and then I will work it with my fingers. Again, applying the yellow first, and then going up a little bit higher. This must have been a secondary mixed color of a little bit of a green and yellow, I do believe, and then mushing those two colors together. When I do it, I do stagger the blue a little bit different than the green, and so like the one section when I go up will be, the blue will be higher, then the next section when it comes down, the blue will be lower, and I will do that throughout the head to create different variants of levels of color, and it just looks a lot prettier. So I do believe I have 3 colors going on here. And as you can see, I use different parts of my fingers. So there is like 3 different spots that I can mush colors. So I can do it between the piggies. So the one that went all the way home and the ring finger one. You guys get what I'm saying? So I can use it in between all the fingers and mush those colors so I don't have to keep wiping my hands. I do also follow the natural gradient of the hair all the way down towards the back and leaving a dipped like a shadow and an angle back towards the crown of the head. Applying my yellows and my greens to just make those all blur and blend together. And guys, this came out so absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Stunning. And guys, if you find value in my content, don't forget to sign up for the free high impact 15 foil tutorial, and the link is in the description. And there is the result, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that blend. I'm going to pat myself on the back on this one, guys, because Ashley Ann's hair came out absolutely stunning. Again, don't forget to like, follow, share, and don't forget to hit the ding dong, guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.